Hey everyone! Today we are going to crochet a tiny crossbody bag. The process is pretty straightforward. I am using 5 grain milk cotton yarn, along with a 3mm crochet hook. Let us jump right into it. Hold the yarn in your left hand and make a magic ring. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through the loop on your hook. And just like that, your foundation is done. Now we will move on to single crochet stitches. Push your hook through the loop below, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over once more. Pull through both loops on the hook all at once. And that is your first single crochet completed. Work a total of 8 single crochets for the first round. Pull the tail to tighten the magic ring. Slip stitch into the very first stitch. Poke your hook through the first stitch space. Yarn over and pull through every loop on the hook in one go. Chain 1 stitch to act as your turning chain. Work a single crochet into that very first stitch. Put 3 single crochets into the second stitch. Keep repeating this pattern. Follow this 1 and to rule all the way around all the stitches. By the end of the first round, you should have 16 stitches in total. Finish up with a slip stitch. For the third round, chain 1 stitch to use as your turning chain. Work 1 single crochet into each of the first and second stitches. Put 2 single crochets into each of the third and fourth stitches. Keep up this loop pattern until you finish all the stitches. Join everything together with a final slip stitch. Once round 3 is complete, you will have 24 stitches. Moving on to round 4. Work 1 single crochet into each of stitches 1 through 4. Work 2 single crochets into each of stitches 5 and 6. Keep repeating this sequence to wrap up the entire round. Connect it all with a slip stitch at the end. Round for finish with a total of 32 stitches. For round 5, chain 1 stitch as your turning chain. Work a single crochet into each of the first through 6 stitches. Work 2 single crochets into each of the 7th and 8th stitches. Keep repeating that cycle until all stitches are done. Close the round with a final slip stitch. After finishing round 5, you will end up with 40 stitches. For round 6, chain 1 stitch to use as your turning chain. Work 1 single crochet into each of the first through 8 stitches. Put 2 single crochets into each of the 9th and 10th stitches. Keep working this sequence until you complete every stitch in the round. Finish up by joining with a slip stitch. Round 6 wraps up with a total of 48 stitches. And just like that, the base of the bag is fully complete. Next, we will start on the body by chaining for stitches. skip to stitches and leave them unworked. Work a double crochet into the third stitch. Yarn over your hook and push it through that third stitch. Yarn over and pull the loop back through. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more. Pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Follow that up with 2 chain stitches. Skip to stitches and work a double crochet into the third one. Keep repeating this pattern all the way around. On the very last 2 chain set, do not work a double crochet. Instead, go straight to your starting chain of 4. Slip stitch into the second chain to join everything together. That finished the first round of the bag body. The second round follows the exact same method as the first. The only difference is this. You will work your double crochets directly on top of the double crochets from the previous round. Just keep repeating this rhythm as you go. The body of the bag will be 5 rounds in total. After the final pair of chain stitches, skip making a double crochet. Locate the second chain of your initial 4 chain setup. Connect them with a slip stitch to close the round. Now we are moving on to the edge and the handle. Start by chaining 1 stitch as a turning chain. Work a single crochet right over the top of the double crochet stitch. Put 2 single crochets into the chain space below. Work a total of 10 single crochets. Then chain 20 stitches to form the handle of the bag. Count over to the left. Work a single crochet into the 4th double crochet stitch. This secures the bag strap in place. Keep working until you have 15 single crochets. Then make another 20 chain stitches. Finish the rest of the edge. Anchor the strap by working a single crochet into the 4th double crochet. Keep going with 5 more single crochets. After your last single crochet, pull the loop wide and snip the yarn. Use a tapestry needle to create an invisible seamless join. Slide your sewing needle through the very first stitch. Then go down through the final stitch from top to bottom. Pull the yarn snug and adjust the stitches so everything looks even. Tuck away the leftover tail neatly on the back. Trim off any excess yarn. And your adorable little crossbody bag is finally complete. Thank you so much for watching.